Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to discuss and we are going to sign up on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. What is Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange all about? As I told you regarding the SNB token Synchro Bitcoin, then what is that one token? And today I am going to tell you how you can sign up on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange and how you can take advantage if you don't have even a single penny in your pocket, but you have some friends. Then you can basically use your own referral link, and with the help of that one referral link you are going to earn number of money through Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. Before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. And if you are listening my voice first time and if you like my voice seriously, then you must have to follow me on all the social media. Kindly do help me to be on my social media as much as you can. So right now what you have to do to sign up, it is very easy. First of all, you have to put your name, full name, your email address, your password, confirm password. Then you have to select your nationality. Wherever you are from, here all the countries are available at this time. Then you have to confirm it and go directly towards the register option. Then an email will send to you. Then you have to confirm that one email and then you can log in directly on the main platform Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. Here I will show you each and everything regarding Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. First of all, how you can come on this page. That is the current thing which I just want to tell you. But before that one, I will tell you how to complete the Know Your Customer on this platform that is entirely needed for each and every, you can say, withdrawals. So it is better for you, and I will always recommend this thing to you, that you must have to complete your Know Your Customer. So first of all, you have to click on your name. Here you can see my name is Talha, so I'm just going to click on it, and then I have to click on KYC not verified. It is very simple for me. I'm just going to click on this one, identification, and when I'm going to click on the identification, they are going to say that at this time, if I want to verify my Know Your Customer, then I have to click on this one thing, verify now, and then I will go for the personal. It is very easy for me. For the personal, I just have to put my full name, which is available on my passport or on my ID card. It is very simple. I have to put my full name, my address, my date of birth, my gender, your country of residence, your phone number. For example, if you are from India, for example, you are from Iran, India, Pakistan, anywhere, you just have to put +91 +92 +880 +90 like this, and then you have to put your phone number here. Then they are asking what type of ID you have at this time. Then we have to select the ID, select ID type, which ID we are basically going to submit. For example, if you are going to submit your, you can say, NIC card or your passport, then you have to select that one option. Then you have to put the ID front and ID back. Then you have to put your selfie with only and only Syncrobit. You have to write on a blank paper Syncrobit and the today's date. Then you have to and on the other hand, you have to put your ID card or your passport. Then you have to take your selfie and upload it over here. Then you have to complete it and submit it, and maximum 24 to 48 hours your KYC will be done on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange, and then you will be able to withdraw each and every funds. And the best thing is this, the major thing, if you don't have any money, just complete the KYC on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange, then you can take advantage from your referral link. How you can go for it? Seriously, it is very easy. You just have to click on your referral link first of all. When you are going to do that one option, that is entirely, you can say, easy for you to use your referral link, and with the help of your own referral link, you will be able to basically get number of money through it. It is very easy. I will show you that one option right now. I'm just going to click on the referral option, and when you are going to click on that one, the referral option, they are going to take you direct on your referral link. Here you can also click on the rewards, you can also click on the dashboard, and here you can see the trade option. If you want to buy anything, if you want to deposit anything, how to deposit on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange, that is entirely easy. You just have to click on the wallet, then you have to click on the spot wallet, When you are going to click on the spot wallet, you have all the options, whatever coin you want to take. For example, if I want to take SNB, Synchro Bitcoin, directly on the exchange of Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange, what I have to do, I only have to click on deposit icon. Then they are going to give me the deposit address on which I will send my SNB coin, Synchro Bitcoin, and I will easily deposit my coins over here on this exchange. That is entirely easy for me, and then we can basically go and start trading. Here I will got my deposit address. So very simple it is. You just have to copy this address and then you can send your SNB token Synchro Bitcoin directly on this address. And no trading fee at this time. Very easy thing. No trading fee. You just have to put it over there and you can basically trade. First of all, you have to deposit. For example, I am depositing at this time SNB coin, Synchro Bitcoin, directly on this exchange. I am just taking the main deposit address on which I have to send my SNB Synchro Bitcoin. Now, how I can trade over here? That is the basic question of everyone's mind. Now what I have to do, I just have to click on trade option, and right now I am directly, basically you can say the place where I can basically start trading. Here I have all the options. For example, I'm just going to click on SNB. Right now I have the option to sell my SNB at BCH, at BTC, in Dash pair, EOS pair, Ethereum pair, LTC pair, XLM pair, XRP pair, and ZEC pair. I have multiple options to sell my SNB on this exchange. So it is the best time for you to take your funds on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange, and also you can take advantage from the from your own by your own, you can say, affiliate link. With the help of your affiliate link, you will be able to earn number of money from this exchange, Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. I will show you the main announcement. Here you can see the 28 March 2020 announcement is here. Here you can see basically the rules of this one. We are pleased to launch the Syncrobit referral program. Invite your friends to trade on Syncrobit and you will receive 40% of her trading fees as commission. In real time, referral link, create your referral link. Here you can see you have the option to create your own referral link very easily, and with the help of your referral link you are going to earn number of money through this exchange. Here it is entirely easy how you can basically generate your own referral link. It is very easy for you. It is not an issue for you at this time. Here I'm just going to click you. At this time they are saying your SNB holding amount is less than minimum amount required. Now what I have to do, I only have to do one thing. I have to deposit about 500 SNB on this exchange first of all, or I can purchase, or basically you can purchase 500 SNB directly from this exchange, and then you can basically generate your own referral link. And with the help of your referral link, you will be able, seriously, I'm going to deposit my SNB over here because I really want to earn much more money through my referral link. So it is very easy for you. You just have to send your 500 SNB, or you can basically directly purchase SNB Synchro Bitcoin directly from Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. From this exchange you can buy it, and then you will be able to use your referral link and you will be able to earn more than 20% bonus on each trade of your friend. Seriously, go for it. It is such a great thing. Here you can see the whole announcement of Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange that they already announced regarding the referral and affiliate link, that how you can earn through referral link. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. And very soon I am going to share such a great news regarding the Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange and also about the Synchro Bitcoin, because Synchro Bitcoin already marked a new mark on another exchange. So I will definitely share that one thing with you very soon. Thanks a lot.